Okay, you two. Let's take a look and see what you got.
First of all, I want to just give a quick little tutorial on ribbon.
Okay.
Okay, just like super quick.
Okay.
So first of all, there are tons of ribbons out there that are so adorable.
Yeah.
But you kind of, when you're tying a bow, have to kind of pay attention to the ribbon. Like this is a gross grain ribbon. Okay. And I love it when I'm sewing. I don't love it so much with bows.
Oh, it's so true, yes.
Because it just doesn't have the drape to it.
It's floppy.
Exactly.
Well, it doesn't
it's a little stiffer.
It's a little stiffer and not how we want it to be.
Okay. Yeah.
So, but if you go to these, like I love this little little lettuce edge ribbon. It ties a cute bow. It stays.
That's adorable.
You know, these ones, even though they're the same size as this grows grain, you want to touch the ribbon?
No. Let's just get right over here.
Oh, okay.
So you can see it better.
I see what you're doing. Okay. Yeah. So it has that little lettuce edge on it, and so it ties a really cute bow. These ones, even though they're the same size, they're not a gross grain, and so they just have a better drape for like a little bow.
It's a little softer, it looks like. Okay.
So just kind of know your ribbons, and then of course, I'm going to say the king of all ribbon is now the wire edge ribbon.
Mm-hmm. How do we do this, Sherry?
So a couple different things that you want to do is there are 3 different ways that I know of. There's probably more to tie a bow. The first one that I learned was just being able to like tie my little button center. Where are we at? Right there.
Yes.
And then doing a pinch. Then bringing it around, doing a pinch, doing it around, doing a pinch. She's clearing my space. And then you can also twist it if you've got like one-sided ribbon and stuff like that. So you're just doing twisting and pinching. Twisting and pinching.
Twist and pinch.
Twist and pinch. And I usually do
Does
a
your
button
hand get
middle.
tired?
Sometimes a little bit. So I usually do my button middle and then 2 sides and then do 2 out to the side. But you can do it however you really want. And so it just makes a nice fluffy bow. And we can just, with this ribbon
because
here.
of the wire edge ribbon, it actually makes it actually take its shape better.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. That's why I love that ribbon, the wire edge ribbon for that.
Okay.
So, and this one is a good bow if you're wanting a really big bow, like maybe you're putting on a wreath or something like that, and you have a really wide ribbon. It gives it a really nice full bowl, and you can just keep adding loops. There will get a point where your wire ribbon won't hold it up anymore, but it starts to flop, but once it's on the wreath, it'll help support it.
Nice.
For your tails, you would just cut it, and then you would bring your tails from the back and use a little piece of wire, a zip tie, or a pipe cleaner.
Okay.
So the other way I learned to tie a bow was when I had directional on my ribbon, because when you twist this, you'll end up with one side right and one side the wrong direction.
Oh, yes.
Oh,
and so this was the way to do that, and you just start with your tail down.
I always have problems with this.
So then you just come here, and you just are going to go like back and forth.
Oh, that's not hard.
With a scrunch in the middle.
Yeah, with a little scrunch in the middle.
Okay.
So it's kind of like you're building from the back to the front. We can twist this again. And these are ones like a lot of times you'll see at like the stores. This is kind of the bow they'll do, and they'll have just a little twist tie in it. So I can do this. If I want the little button in the middle, I can do that, and then just bring this down and
voila.
Have my tie come down like that. So
I like it.
It can still be the same thing, but this is how you would do it for directional.
Okay.
Okay. And then, of course,
Are we going to get into
this one? Is with
the fork.
Your fork or your friend.
Several years ago when we did that, it was a disaster. Oh my goodness! So I can't wait to see you do this.
You can't wait to see this?
Yes.
Let's do this.
Should we do it with our friend or our fork first?
I'm going to put that down.
Okay, let's go ahead and do the fork.
Okay. Yeah. So with this, we're just going to put it around the outside edges here. Okay. So outside tongs. Come in the middle, and we're going to cross it.
All right.
Okay. And then the one that's on the top, I'm just going to stick through that middle of that fork, bring it around, and tie just a knot. Okay, now let me see if I can do it backwards, because I know the camera can't see this side of it. And look at that. Bing.
Oh, my word.
Isn't that great? Just a tiny little bow. Sometimes that's really tough to get that to look good.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. So, okay. You gonna try it again?
What does that look?
Well, I'm just going, wow. Did we need this big of a sword?
Maybe that's what my problem was. Apparently, I did not have.
I love it.
Okay,
right
we're gonna have you
fork.
put your fingers down here.
Okay, so now it's friend.
Now it's friend.
Okay.
I
Yeah.
get a fork and friend.
Yeah.
Okay, how are we doing there?
Like
Can you
this?
You
guys
get
see
to
that?
show off both of your
Okay,
fancy
and
nails.
this is kind of what's nice is that you can. What size do you want your bow?
No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
We're gonna go to this one.
Yeah, let's just do
Okay.
it like this.
So we're gonna
Okay.
wrap it around her fingers.
Okay.
Hold them up just a little bit for me so I
Okay.
have some room underneath. Okay, we're gonna come here. We're gonna cross them. You have to hold them apart.
Okay.
So the one that's on the top, we're gonna come around,
Oh.
bring it to the front,
over.
and then just tie it in a knot.
Oh,
how cute
my
that
word, you guys
is.
look. Look how cute that is.
I love that.
Sorry, I'm like all over.
And now Cindy will be walking all over the place.
Look
with
at my bow. Look at my bow.
And if you don't like your friend, you tie that really tight so they can't get it off their fingers.
There you go.
Oh, guys, look how fun that is.
That's really
That is
cute.
so cute. Yes.
And it's like your perfect little bow.
Turn it
Yes, it
the other way.
is.
There we go.
That is clever.
Okay.
So there it is.
I love that. Well, there you have it. Now you have the real way.
The real way to do it.